We're Pat and Ira Miller. We moved here from Howell, New Jersey. We've been married 39 years. We moved to Pelican Point in late April, so we were basically newcomers to the community. We love it here. We live in a Carolina place and it is spectacular. The process was so simple. Working with the project manager we have here at Pelican Point was fabulous. He kept in touch with us. Any questions, picked up the phone, there was no hesitation. We have socials once a month on Thursday and once a month on a Saturday.
Social nights were a very big meeting people because you don't know who they were and everybody introduced themselves.
It was a real smooth, easy process. Ryan Holmes did a wonderful job with us.